Hi guys, welcome, thanks for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing video and review of this luxury hotel pillow by SORMAG, which I got from Amazon. Alright, here we go. So this is a 2-pack queen size pillow. On Amazon, this costs about $33 American or $50 Canadian. And on the side of the box, this is a washing instructions on how to wash these pillows and covers. A warranty card, nicely compact, we'll give some time for it to expand. It feels pretty comfortable. In the instructions, it says allow 48 to 72 hours for the pillow to fully expand. So this is what the pillow looks like after 3 days. Naturally expanded. As you can see, it's still a little flat, not as puffy as I thought it would be after 3 days. Here is the pillow on my left. As soon as I opened the package, I actually hand puffed it. As you can see, this is a little more puffier than the pillow on the right. When you hand puff it, it actually helps the process. This pillow is more expanded than the one on the right. Doesn't feel full of volume. This one definitely needs some assistance. I will have to hand puff this one. Actually looks a lot better after I pushed it down. Now it looks about equal. Puff this up some more to help it expand fully. It's looking a lot better than before. Makes a big difference when you do this by hand. Speed up the process. Now this actually looks like a pillow now. Nice and round, full of volume. The average head weighs about 11 pounds or 5 kilograms. Here I have is a 10-pound weight. I just want to show you what it looks like. Now, the non-compressed pillow is about 10 inches, and with the compressed pillow, it's compressed down to about 5 inches. I'll give you guys a quick review. I only slept on these pillows for a couple of days just to try it out. These aren't the most comfortable pillows I slept on. I slept on better pillows at a hotel. My sleep on my back is fairly decent, but sleep on my side, I have better sleep throughout the night. And these pillows do retain heat, so if you can't sleep when it's hot, I probably wouldn't recommend these pillows. But different pillow covers, like bamboo pillows, can help reduce the heat. On Amazon, I heard there's a Beckham Hotel collection. Apparently that might be better than these pillows. Those are actually cooling pillows. I would probably spend a little more just to try those out over than these ones. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out, until next time.